merosity. So merosity is how many parts are present in each whorl. So the number of floral leaves. So in each whorl. So that is merosity. Here merosity based on the number of floral parts in each whorl. So different type of flowers are there. A trimerous flower, tetramerous flower, and a pentamerous flower. Trimerous flower. So in each whorl, so in the flower, 4 whorls are there, 4 circles, 4 circles at every node. Here one type of floral parts are arranged: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. So in each whorl, here 3 are multiples of 3. 3 are multiples of 3. Or 3 sometimes here 6, 9, 12, like this here. 3 are multiples of 3. The floral parts are present. In each whorl, 3 multiples of 3 floral parts are present. So that type of flower is called as trimerous flower. So these trimerous flowers are observed in the lily flower or lily plant, Liliaceae family members. Here monocot plants like Liliaceae family members, here trimerous flowers are observed. Here tetramerous flowers. So in each whorl, 4 floral parts are present. 4 are multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12. So the floral parts are 4 are multiples of 4 in each whorl. So that is a trimerous flower. A trimerous flower is observed in mustard, Brassicaceae family. And pentamerous flowers. Pentamerous flowers show here 5 are multiples of 5 floral leaves in each whorl. So 5, 10, 15. So pentamerous flowers are observed in the here Fabaceae family. Okay, Fabaceae family are legumes. So in all legumes generally pentamerous. So trimerous flowers are observed in monocot plants. So it is the characteristic feature of it is observed in only monocot plants. Tetramerous and pentamerous flowers are observed in dicot plants. So here based on the number of floral leaves in each whorl, the flowers are of 3 types: trimerous, tetramerous, pentamerous flowers.